Hey guys, my name is Will and you're watching the Teenpreneur. Here we help young entrepreneurs just like you achieve success in their businesses through strategy. Alright, let's get into the video. Let's face it, the internet is a big scary place.
Hello!
So today we're going to be talking about a few strategies to help you get found in the internet, because as we said, the internet is a big scary place and there's a lot of people. YouTube alone has 1.5 billion people visiting it every single day. That's a lot of watch hours, and if you're not leveraging that, you're just dumb. Strategy number one, post more content. You've got all these platforms available to you, so why not use them? I'm talking Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Blogger, YouTube, LinkedIn, a website. I want you to be leveraging all of this, because the more you're out there, the more you're going to be seen. It is just how the world works. If I gave you a butterfly net and I said, hey, catch a shark, think you'd be able to do that? Tip number two, to put this in perspective for you, let me ask a question. If I said, all right, I'm going to give you two groups, pick the best group to hide in. And group A has 100,000 people and group B has, well, it's only got 100 people in it. Which group would you choose? I think the answer is A. I'm not saying just go post things that no one else is talking about, because there's a reason people are talking about certain things. It's because they are interested in that topic. But what I am saying is post in the subcategories of those things people are interested in. So if someone leaves something hanging in their interview, answer it in yours. Tip number three is gonna be to create compelling titles. Now I know you're gonna say, Will, everyone tells us to do this. It's such an open-ended answer, and it really leaves a lot to be desired. Well, I'm here to tell you exactly what you need to be doing with a compelling title, and it's a lot more simple than you think. Creating a compelling title goes something like this. 1. Short. 2. Explains what the content is about. 3. It's simple. It just says exactly what it's meant to say and nothing more. It's not filled with tags like something you would see on some horrific Amazon ad. Tip number 4 is going to be to collaborate with people in your same group. So find people who have the same interests as you with more following. Social proof has a lot to do with how you rank and your audience and your numbers. It's got a lot to do with a lot of things. But if you could find someone who's bigger than you with a lot more social proof than you and get them on your page, your search optimization is going to go up, because the algorithms of the almighty Google are going to kick in, and they're going to say, geez, this person is just blowing up, we've got to get them to the front of the page. And that's how fast you can rank in Google, YouTube. They're all connected, so you rank in one, you're going to rank in quite a few. You've been watching the Teenpreneur today. I hope it helped you. If it did, please subscribe and hit the bell notification. Tomorrow's video is going to be all about how to keep your audience once you get it. So stay tuned. See you next time. Bye.